We support RIXEN with our components for wakeboard systems, which are used worldwide and are also available from SEW-EURODRIVE worldwide. Specifically, here in Dresden, we are now focusing on the MOVI-C control generation, MOVI-C frequency inverters, and brand new, the electric cylinders of the CMS series.
We are the inventors and the global market leaders for water skiing and wakeboard systems. The basic idea originated 65 years ago with Bruno RIXEN. He was on vacation and went water skiing. At that time, there were no such facilities. You could only do it behind a boat. He had the opportunity to try it out on vacation, but unfortunately didn't have the money for the boat. And that's how the basic idea came about. We want to democratize this sport and make it accessible to people who cannot afford a boat. That's how the idea for the water ski lift came about.
I have been setting up the system here for about 20 years. The new system we have is really excellent because the system can now be set up so independently with the new control system and the electric cylinders. So you no longer need a control and machine container. Everything is on the mast.
Due to the significantly greater forces and higher dynamics compared to the pneumatic solution, the challenge was to take the effects on the mechanics into account and integrate them into the existing system. Thanks to our MOVI-C modular system, integration was very straightforward and could be easily integrated into the existing plant.
The electric cylinder is only activated when it needs to work. Previously, we had a pneumatic compressor that generated pressure and ran continuously, which of course consumed a lot of electricity. So I assume that this new system with only 2 electric cylinders, we previously had 4 pneumatic cylinders, will be a big advantage for many people.
We first became aware of SEW-EURODRIVE around 2010. At that time, we wanted to build with electric cylinders. Back then, the configuration wasn't quite what we wanted. However, we had a relatively good working relationship with them and then built the first 2 mast systems with SEW-EURODRIVE in 2015.
I have been working with RIXEN since 2016. We started out with a master system, the 2 mast system, and worked closely with RIXEN to develop and support the Master Basic and Master Silver series. This collaboration has continued, leading to the full-size systems that we are implementing together today.
Here in Dresden, we now have virtually a full range of equipment, which means that the control system is completely from SEW-EURODRIVE. The handling, which normally works pneumatically, has been completely converted to electric cylinders here. We did this primarily so that we would have a completely electric control system and no other components in it. Fortunately, this works very well, and the cooperation with SEW-EURODRIVE went extremely well. Thanks also to Johan, it must be said, we are very happy with it.
I am also an enthusiastic wakeboarder myself, even if only at an amateur level, but the experience I've gained at the facility has helped me a lot, including with the programming and implementation of the entire drive and control technology.
Following the successful introduction here in Dresden, we have now decided to equip all of our premium systems with electric cylinders. Next will be the standard systems, followed by the older systems. Older systems cover a very large area, as 400 to 500 systems could be retrofitted.